Imagine cruising down a sunlit road, the breeze gently tugging at your sleeves, while a vintage-style tricycle camper turns every head you pass. That's exactly what the 2027 Retro Camper Tricycle RV delivers, pure charm, wrapped in futuristic functionality. This isn't just a ride, it's a statement. And trust me, once you see what it can do, you'll never look at RV travel the same way again. At first glance, it feels like a nostalgic postcard from the 1970s, with its curved body, classic chrome accents, and pastel paint job. But look closer, and you'll realize this beauty is packed with next-gen innovation. The fusion of retro aesthetics with modern-day smart tech is what makes the 2027 Retro Camper Tricycle so irresistible. It's more than just a design experiment, it's a fully functional, off-grid ready home on 3 wheels. Built on an ultra-lightweight composite chassis, the Trike is surprisingly agile. It's powered by a whisper-quiet electric motor that gives you a smooth, emission-free ride with a range of nearly 250 miles on a single charge. Solar panels stretch across the roof, constantly sipping sunlight to power your journey, and regenerative braking adds extra juice every time you slow down. But what really gets you is when you step inside. The rear capsule opens like a spaceship hatch, revealing an impossibly cozy interior that's been designed with clever precision. There's a convertible bed that folds down into a lounge, a tiny kitchenette complete with a fridge, induction cooktop, and a retro-style sink with copper taps. Every inch has been maximized. Even the floorboards lift to reveal hidden storage compartments for your gear. It gets better. Hidden inside a sliding panel is a 32-inch smart display that doubles as a window into your digital world, streaming movies, showing maps, and syncing with your smartphone. Soft LED lights create a warm glow, and bamboo accents bring in that earthy, natural vibe. Oh, and let's not forget the mini projector mounted on the ceiling. Imagine parking in a quiet forest and watching your favorite movie projected onto the pull-down screen. It's camping, reimagined. And here's the thing, this camper isn't just for long-distance explorers. Urban dwellers are obsessed with it too. Why? Because it fits perfectly in city bike lanes, can park almost anywhere, and doesn't require a special license in most regions. Imagine waking up by the beach on Saturday and parking in front of your favorite cafe by noon. It's the freedom we all crave, bottled into something you can actually drive. Now, what about comfort? The 2027 model features adaptive suspension that automatically adjusts to terrain, whether you're navigating cobblestone streets in Europe or gravel roads through the wilderness. The seat is ergonomically designed, and the handlebars include haptic feedback and built-in navigation prompts, so you never miss a turn. There's even a compact wet bath module hidden beneath a sliding panel.